Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to make a speed ramp in Premiere Pro. Upload your clip. First thing you want to do is increase the size of the track. Drag it up. What you're going to do is you're going to hover over your clip, right click, time remapping, speed. And let's just zoom into the clip a bit more so we can see better, okay? So what you're going to do next is you're going to find the point where you want to start your speed ramp. So for instance, about here is where I want to start. So I'm going to press Command and I'm going to click my point here. And then I'm going to go to about here. I'm going to click point there. If you hover your mouse over the middle, you're going to see the black arrows. So what you want to do now is either you want to increase the speed or slow it down. So for this purpose, I'm just going to slow it down now. So I want to do like a slow kind of speed ramp. So I'm going to take it down, let's just say around 60%. So let's just have a look now. Bam, perfect. And if you want it to be smoother as well, you can pull out these points here to give you more of a smoother and cleaner kind of speed ramp. So it's more smoother, there you go. And then what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to add another speed ramp just here to end it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up the speed. So let's just say I'll bring up the speed to around 200%. Just so that there's a bit of energy in the clip. So slow, fast. Here you go, my people. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.